All right, hi again everyone, and welcome to Module 1. At this point, you should have already completed all of the icebreaker activities that I'm pointing to on the left-hand side of your screen. If you have not completed these icebreaker activities and printed out the syllabus and the schedule for this course, you should go back and do that now, and then continue on to Module 1 once you've completed all of the activities here. If you have completed all of the icebreaker activities, you are ready for Module 1. So you can go ahead and click on Module 1, and you'll see up here the title is Foundations of Human Communication Part 1. So that's what we'll be discussing in this module. Also, you can see, if you go to the left-hand side of your screen, all of the different modules that we will be covering this semester, and you can see the dates that we will be covering them. This is very important to pay attention to. So this module opens July 8th and will close July 14th. Make sure you are completing all activities and assignments during that time. Okay, so for this module, you will see that we'll start talking about human communication. Throughout the course, we begin by discussing the foundations of communication and principles of communication, and then later in the semester, we will apply those principles and strategies to the public speaking context. So make sure that you begin this module by reading all of the different readings and watching all of the different videos in each of these different links that you'll see here. Okay, so make sure you click on this to read Chapter 1, and you can go through the entire folder on your own. I'll go back here. And then once you have read all of these readings and watched all of the videos, you are now ready to participate in the discussion and take the first quiz that is right down here. Okay, so for this discussion on how language shapes the way we think, you must click on here and create a thread, and once you do so, you'll also be able to see the instructions for this TED Talk discussion. So it's the same thing. Make sure that you're posting by Thursday at 11:59 and responding to 2 peers in at least 100 words by Sunday at 11:59. Again, just to reiterate about your responses to peers, it should be much more than just "I agree" or "I understand where you're coming from." It should have some substance, and you should actually add to each other's posts, and this should really replicate or look like a discussion within an actual face-to-face classroom. Okay, so think of it that way. I'll go back to Module 1. And then lastly, in this module, please do not forget about the quiz. It is due Sunday, and it is very short. However, it requires you reading and understanding the content in this folder. So please make sure you are reading these carefully before taking the quiz. You should also be taking notes as well while you're reading so that you can go back and access those so that you can get the best grade on the quiz as possible. Okay, that's it for this module. I will see you next week starting July 15th in Module 2. All right, have a great day.